Elizabeth Estes. We're here to break barriers, and that's what we're going to do. One thing that I want to say about this convening, this symposium, is it's different than anything that you've ever been to. For those of you who've been here before, and I can see you in the room, some of you have been here for 9 years straight. And for those who've never been here, I want to tell you that this is a working symposium. This is not a come, maybe go to something, maybe don't, take some information and leave. This is a we are working while we are here symposium. And we are working while we are here to build unity and community for our young people, and we are here to do that by, for, and with them. And they're in the room. This is an intergenerational effort and an intergenerational convening. So I would really like all the young people who showed up today to please stand up. I can see you. I see you. I see you. You. We have about 100 young people coming to the symposium this year, which is phenomenal. And we are co-creating and co-designing and co-building and co-evaluating and co-realizing with them. So please talk to them. Please ask them what they want and need. Please ask them how we can help them, because they are here. They showed up. And so we're going to show up with them. We're going to stay the course together. In a time of great divide, great uncertainty, and great challenge, the answer is to stay the course together in unity and community. Do not veer. Do not let what's happening in our communities, in our society, divide us. Unite. That is the solution. We're here to serve the whole child. Well, what does that mean? We say whole child, but in other worlds, people say whole person. Or they say other language. We mean all of the needs of a young person, the social, emotional, behavioral, cognitive, physical health of a young person, from zero, from cradle to career. From cradle to career. People in this room are supporting them from cradle to career. And that is what we need to be thinking about. But we also need to understand that whether you come through a door that talks about it as one or thing or another, we are really talking about serving the whole person, the whole child. We say whole child here, but they are interchangeable, and we need shared language. We need to unite around shared language and shared work. Sometimes we get divided because our language is different. So we need to understand that we are all here to do the same thing, support the whole child. The power of one. That is our tagline, but that is our solution. And it isn't just one human being who can make a difference. One human being can make a difference. And then one human being who's making a difference with other people making a difference? What is that? That's the magic. We are going to do that. We have people here from the community schools work in California. We have people here. We have people here working on implementation of the Child and Youth Behavioral Health Initiative in California. We have people here from healthcare organizations working to unite with us. We have people here working on early care, young people, and supporting our very young people. And Mariah bought her baby here, and if you haven't met her baby, you should, because she's who we're fighting for. She's the future. We have people who are working on aftercare, expanded learning opportunity work. We're all trying to build one ecosystem together. Yes, clap. We're all trying to unite to build one ecosystem together. If we're going to serve the whole child, what do we have to be? A whole ecosystem. We have to understand how we fit together. And that's the work of integration. We concentrate in the symposium on our collective legacy. I know everyone may have their individual legacy, People talk a lot about my individual legacy will be this, that, or the other thing, which I am all for everyone having their individual legacy. But Breaking Barriers work is about what is our collective legacy for the children of California, in California, this great state that I was raised in and grew up in and live in, have the great honor to live in. What's our collective legacy for the children and youth of California? What do we want for them? What do we want for them in our schools? What do we want for them in our school districts? What do we want for them in our counties? What do we want for them in our communities? What do we want for them in our state? And can we hold ourselves collectively responsible to those outcomes by, for, and with them? That is the work of breaking barriers. That is the work of integration. And it's work. This is my last slide. This is work. This isn't just going to happen because we said so, or because we said the power of one, or because we said that we want to work together. We actually have to have the intention to have that shared vision and mindset, shared policies that try and build a better integrated system, which we're going to talk about today, shared leadership, shared goals and outcomes that we actually hold ourselves accountable to, shared financing structures, shared information structures, shared care. Shared care. So these are the things that we want to be thinking about and working on during the symposium in the next 3 days. And this is the coalition of the willing. These are the people doing it. So everybody in this room is somebody who is doing this work actively and wants to unite. So when you look across the room, you're going to see somebody you're going to meet, and you can do work together. It happens every year. Someone says to me, Elizabeth, I met so-and-so, and now we've built this amazing youth program across our agencies together, and we didn't even know each other, right? And we're siloed within our silos, by the way. So let's break down those silos.